Today we got a call from the Bronx area. We were working on a 2003 Mini Cooper. We were replacing some accessories. Were we around your area? Drop a comment and let us know what part of the tri-state area you're from. Are you from the Jersey area, the Connecticut area, or the Pennsylvania area? Don't hesitate to give us a call at any time and anywhere. We're currently working 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We work on brakes, air conditioning, alternators, diagnostic services, engines, you name it, we fix it. Need help with replacing your accessories? Give us a call. Is your check engine light on? Give us a call. We're a call away from putting you back on the road. 646-546-7000.